day 10 on our Atlantic crossing. It's 1st of December today. It's the National Day of Romania. And the special one as well, 100 years since the unification of all the states in Romania. So yeah, special 100 years anniversary. And we've got dolphins around us, jumping around from one side to the other. Anna is wearing her Romanian flag in her hair. Romanian dolphins. Her t-shirt, Out with the Wind. I'm also wearing mine. Check this out. Out with the Wind. Woo. Yes. And we're admiring the dolphins. There isn't much sun today. It's a bit cloudy. I was going to say something else, but... And here they are, dolphins.
But the dolphins make up for everything.
Look, look, look. Two of them. Way. Yes, and we thought we should put our flag up, made by a famous tailoring shop in Brașov, Croitoria Titi, which is run by my parents' business. And it's I told them to make a very strong flag so it doesn't break easily, and they did make a very strong one that I think only flies if you're going around Cape Horn, and if it needs a lot of wind to fly basically. But no, thank you parents, you're very nice. And here is Anna again. Any opinions about this day, about the dolphins?